What's good, YouTube? Who is Louis 13? Back again. I am Louis, and this is my baby. See me? Yeah, man. You know we got to get that cold start before anything. It's not really a cold start, but you know, we'll take what we could get. Got the keys. Yes, sir. All right, man, so we are running late as usual, and you guessed it, we are on our way to Mexico. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, because we got a lot of content on the way, and I will give you guys what you want to see. If you're interested in any of the equipment, any of the products I use, like this radar detector here, all links are in the description. Go ahead and hit that link, make a purchase through that link, help your boy out. I appreciate that so much. Also, if you guys really mess with me, if you really want to show support, please don't skip those ads. That helps tremendously and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you guys so much. If you guys seen my last video I dropped where I raced the CAMARO SS and a few other cars, then you would know that we're going to get some digs in. If you haven't seen those videos, go back, check them out, because we got a lot of content up already. Go check that stuff out, man. I got some dope stuff up there. Should be a fun day slash night. It's already 6, you know, so it'll probably be a lot of night footage. Hopefully we can get some sunlight in there as well, but we're gonna get the best footage possible. We're headed to some spot over in Mexico where we could do digs. You know, we're getting some digs in tonight. We probably get some rolls in as well, but we're gonna get a lot of digs in, so we're gonna be testing everybody's driver mod out tonight. So it should be pretty interesting, man. We're gonna get a lot of digs in, a lot of runs, so look forward to a lot of content from tonight. Oh, we got a police officer right there. Stay away from all of those. Good thing we won't have to worry about that in Mexico, which is why that's where we go. But yeah, man, stay tuned. It's about to get lit. I'm gonna pick the camera back up once we get there. You feel me?
Are you having sex on your car or what? I've been working on
it. Got the new muffler delete. You wanna shout it out to the YouTube, IG?
Yeah, hey, my IG is black_Tacoma for my truck page. And
that's then
right. RD_Roscoe.
Oh, all the plugs. All right. What about you, Brett?
What's good? My Instagram is La Chancla, so La_Chancla_.
Yes, sir.
I ain't got no car page, so.
There it is. You see him in the Camaro. Oh, he got the cowboy sticker. It's all good. I ain't gonna hate though.
Those are coming off.
Oh, they're coming off. They're coming off.
Coming off.
You don't like the Cowboys, or you do? All right. You see him in the Camaro. See Ed. What's good, Ed?
Huh?
The Hawks take a timeout.
I can't work out right now.
Diversity. What up, Chris?
Oh, what's up?
It's good though. What you guys up to, man?
Finally
Chilling.
out, finally out.
You already know Chris. You want to shout out the IG or anything, dude?
Big_Crisp.
Big_Chris. Don't forget the big.
I do some crazy shit on there.
Yes, sir.
yes, he does.
What about you, my brother?
Ghost, but except for O is a 0_ stain.
All right, for sure. It'll come up on the screen. You guys already know Ed's Cash Cabadong. You know what I'm saying? We'll put that up there on the screen as well.
I finally seen your car for the first time, dude.
Yes, sir.
It looks fucking clean.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. See Manny rolling up. Hell yeah. I haven't done a dig yet, so we're gonna see what happens, dude.
Fuck, neither have I. Just fucking. You got launch control, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know if I'm gonna use it from a dig though. Cause do you use launch control from your dig?
I don't got that.
It would be a little harder, wouldn't it?
My white car didn't. My
Really?
white.
Well, because it
Just send
launch
it.
control,
Yeah.
doesn't it like set like a certain RPM and then you can just like.
Yeah, but it's
gas
like
it?
it goes at a certain point. Like, you know, you can't really control when it goes, can you? I've never done
Yeah.
launch control, so.
I think you just hold the brake or whatever. You hold the brake and as soon as you let go, it just
Oh, really? Oh shit, I gotta practice with that. Young Manny was good with it.
You apply pressure to the brakes, and then I think you pin it all the way down, and that's how it's like activated. And then as soon as you let off the brake, it just goes. Yeah.
I still gotta get that video in. We're gonna try that. We're gonna wait on launch control. I'm gonna just fucking do regular launch today. What up, man? Oh, you can hear it? I see everybody gathering around. I'm like, what's going on, man?
Snail up in here. Yeah.
Oh shit, what's that right there?
First is a Vortex? Yeah, Vortex supercharger.
Pro Charger?
That's what I thought. I mean, that's what I thought, dog.
Oh shit, got the roof. Putting the roof on.
You need help?
Oh, really? Is that what it is?
Okay.
How much horsepower is it, bro?
Supposedly what the guy said it was 500.
500? Yeah. That's right. You want to shout out your IG or anything, brother?
Stay Shitty Joe.
What is it?
Stay Shitty Joe.
All right, I'll get it from you too. That way I can put it on the screen and all that. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, we got Juan in the building. What's good though? Dang, okay. Excited to see this one in action. Yeah. So it's about to be lit tonight.
A lot of cars coming down.
A lot of cars.
SB boys coming down too.
The SB
Waiting
boys.
on them, and then after that we'll probably head out.
For sure. I thought I was gonna be late. I was all telling them I'm late and shit, but I was
still on time.
I was a little early, man. If anything. All right, we out. Yeah, man, we got a lot of cars, man. It's gonna be a lit trip to Mexico. I'll tell you that right now. Got all the whips. Got the Stings over here. Let's go say what's good. What up, man? How's it going, G? You want to shout out the YouTube or anything like that?
Check us out. Fucking the homie Lou got me, the homie Adrian. Check us out on Instagram, Adrian50.
What up, though? Adrian50. What up, G? Louis. Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you, bro. What up, G? Louis. What is it? Manny? Manny and Manny. I already know you. What up, man? Louis. Nice to meet you, bro. Got all the Stings. That's right. Those lights are fire. The carbon fiber on it. Damn, that shit's hard. Honk 3 times to get gas.
And then I'll send you guys the address.
Mad people. We out of here.
Manny took us somewhere else. Last time I took us like 40 minutes the wrong way. We had to turn around and like backtrack.
Aw, fuck. Told you guys it was about to be lit. You already seen all the whips that are about to be out there. It's just about to go crazy. already seen it's been lit on the way over. It's gonna continue to get more lit. Stay tuned, baby. All right, guys, so for the sake of not making this video mad long, and you know, because it's just too much content, I don't want to overload you guys with content and you know, your head might explode or something like that, you know? So I'm gonna chop it up. We got much more dope content coming tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'm gonna drop that tomorrow, or depending on when you watch this, it could be out already, so go check that out. We got a few more runs. We got a run with a BMW 335i and another run with a different Mustang, a manual one with a tune, and I forgot what else, maybe like an intake or something like that. I forgot, but it was a modified Mustang. So stay tuned for those runs, man. And there's more content other than those runs too. There's gonna be some burnouts, some other runs that other people did, you know, from some digs and all that. So stay tuned, man. We got some dope content dropping tomorrow. As you guys seen, we had the little rematch with the CAMARO SS, man. That race is stupid close. I honestly don't know who took it. I mean, it was neck and neck. I can't say who took it. You know, we would have to have an outside angle or an outside view to really tell who took it, but those are some good runs, man. Nice and even though I'm a little late on the launch. You know, I need to get better at that, because part of me is like, I don't want to take off early because I know that's like, you know, a bitch move to take off early on the second honk or whatever, but you know, I got to get better at, once I hear that second honk, be ready to just boom, you know what I'm saying? Because if you notice in those runs, they both started split seconds before me, you know, on both, especially on the one against the Mustang. You can see, you could hear him go first and then me right after. So I need to get, and that was on my honk, so that was just fucking rookie mistake right there. But I need to get better at that. I'm gonna improve. All around, I'm gonna improve at everything we're doing here. So stay tuned, baby, because we going up, man. This channel is gonna be crazy, and I appreciate everybody that's taking this journey with me. It's a crazy ride, and man, it's gonna be dope. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next, because we gonna get it done. That's a fact. Like I said before, if you're interested in any of the products, any of the equipment that I use, such as this radar detector here, this car mount here for the GoPro that I'm using, the handle that I'm using, and a whole bunch of other stuff, all links are in the description. Go ahead and purchase through that link. Help your boy out. I appreciate that greatly. Shout out to everybody that came out for this video and tomorrow's. All dope people, man. It's good when we could get some good runs in with some good people, and there's much more to come, man. we gonna have a lot of content with these guys, everybody in this video. You know, we got a lot more content coming with everybody, man, and a whole lot of other content just in general. We've been dropping every single day, and it ain't gonna stop, man. We're gonna get better and better, and the content is gonna continue to improve, as well as myself. This is just the beginning. Who is Louis 13 checking out? I appreciate you guys as always. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Salute.